Hello and welcome back to Passionately Intrigued Arts with Tracy, and this is Beginner Gardener Chronicles. I decided to clean out a pot to plant my garlic, and I'm just going to do it for the shoots. I read that you could plant these close together and grow them in the house, and these are not organic garlic. I got them from the grocery store, but they're not organic. Um, and it's not really time to plant them outside because it is February. So I just want to, they started growing in the refrigerator. So I just want to plant these in some soil and see what happens. If I just get the shoots to use for cooking, that'll be just fine. So I'm going to put a piece of coffee filter down here on the bottom, and I'm using the cocoa coir with the perlite. I'm going to put some on the bottom, and then guess what I'm going to do? All these right here, why not? Let me just put them in there. Take up some room. That can't hurt anything, can it? And then I'll cover it with the cocoa coir. And I've also added some neem powder, whatever that stuff is, because I don't want gnats. So G Mama recommended that I put that in the cocoa coir, and that's what I have done. I mixed some in there. So I'm gonna fill this up to this line here, and then I'm just gonna stick these bulbs in there. Let me pack it down a little bit. A little bit more. And just stick these down in here. I have quite a few, so we're gonna see. I might have needed a bigger container. Not sure. And I have Mimi here with me. You want to help stick these in?
Yeah.
Just stick them in the dirt, soil like that.
Yep.
Yep. And I'm told you can plant them close together, but not touching. Put it close to that one. Yep. Just push it down in there. Grab another one. That's good. Push it down in there.
That makes them.
That's a big one? Yeah.
Those are funny.
Funny looking. Put it right there. Push it down in there. That's good. Okay.
No, this one.
Turn it. It's upside down. Turn it the other way.
Here?
Yep. Okay. And we're gonna have some garlic shoots for cooking. Cooking. Because I don't know if this will form garlic bulbs or not. Growing it in the house in February. Okay, so now we can go in the center. So put one like right there. Yeah, that's good. Grab another one. And get the ones with the shoots. Get the ones with the green shoots. Put that one right there. Yep. Get another one. Put it right here. There you go. And you put one right here. Very good. Put one right here. Good job. And then we'll put one in the center. We have one left. I guess we won't plant it. Maybe I'll cook with that one. Put one right there. Very good. Now, what do? Cover with about a ½ inch of soil. Can this one fit in here anywhere without touching? Let me move this one over. Put it right there. How about that? And we get them all in there. Okay? All right. Do you want to put some of the soil on here?
Where?
On top. You can wash your hands.
Yeah.
Okay, grab some. Just grab some and just do like this. Yep. Good job. I'll turn it around. Grab some more.
But what in the world?
Crumble it up. Okay, get some. Yep.
Let's sprinkle.
Let's sprinkle it on there.
Here you go, guys.
There you go.
Carpentry. Grandma,
Yes.
you went behind my hand. I went in front.
Oh, okay. A little bit more. Sorry.
A little bit more.
A little bit more. Okay.
Wait,
Then
nothing.
you do like this.
Huh? Wait.
So
How?
pack it down a little bit. Pack it down around them. Put a little bit more right here.
Where?
See,
Here?
those are showing. Yeah, put a little bit more soil right there. Yeah, some right here.
Yeah, so they're still showing.
These green ones can show. That's okay. This needs a little bit more right here. Very good. Okay. Now we need to water it. So I'm just going to put this underneath for now and give it a good douse of water. You want to water it?
No, you can do it.
I can do it. Okay.
What about syrup?
Yep.
For girl.
To grow. That's right.
Here you go.
Soak it real good.
Because I know you're thirsty.
They thirsty?
Yeah.
Yep, very thirsty.
Now they're already next.
So I'm going to take this and put it in the windowsill up in my kitchen so it can get plenty of light and keep the soil moist but not wet. And we're going to see what happens here. Thank you for watching. Peace and love. You saying bye-bye? Bye-bye.
Bye.